Every day we read about the fifth industrial revolution. At first glance, it just seems like a new, improved version of the fourth industrial revolution. The media refer to it so frequently that we all assume we know what it is and we never really pin down what it is and how it affects us. Stay tuned.
Clarity is clear to see.
According to Education.com, the term Industrial Revolution was used by the 19th century economic historian Arnold Toynbee to describe Britain's economic development from 1760 to 1840. Let's start with what we mean by industrial revolutions. An industrial revolution has two components. The first is the creation of new technology, for example, the invention of the steam engine. The second is a change in production brought about by the technology, for example, steam-driven weaving looms. Each time a new technology is created, the manufacturing making process ratchets up a notch. As the revolutions become more complicated, multiple new technologies are discovered, and the process accelerates. Here is a non-exhaustive list of some of the changes that are becoming commonplace in the fifth industrial revolution. Many more people will regularly work remotely. Menial administration will be performed by machines. Implantable technologies for health and other purposes will become widespread, leading to a healthier, longer living population. 3D printing will become more and more prevalent. Chatbots will become a routine part of the customer experience. A negative way of looking at this is to complain that we are rendered obsolete by the very machines we create. Robots will ultimately become smarter than humans, and then there's no stopping them. They will take over the world, and we will be left to do nothing. We will become redundant. The positive way of looking at this is to appreciate how AI and robotics significantly alter how we work, play and live by replacing repetitive and highly complex tasks and assisting us with decision making. Less drudgery at work and more time to spend on important things.
This is the Legion.
Questions you might ask include: how will white-collar jobs change? Will they disappear completely? How will workers have to reconfigure their roles as routine work becomes automated? How will we, as a society, respond to this? Values, institutions, a sense of identity. What will happen to the costs of goods and services? Shout out to Hoa Vlog for being our random and loyal subscriber. You too can be shouted at. Just click the subscribe button, it's free and easy.